Hi, today we're going to talk to you about indoor plants, and it's specifically about indoor plants that will take really low light situations. We've all got those, whether it be places like basement, low light, laundries, toilets, back bedrooms. Those sorts of areas can be really difficult to find the correct plant for. And I've got Rhonda here today to talk to you about just the right plant for the right place.
Thanks, Jill. So we're looking at plants for really low light places today. I have this in my bedroom. This is the ZZ plant. I have it in a very dark, unused bedroom. I daren't water it in the winter. It can go 3 months without watering. It's a bit like the mother-in-law's tongue. Don't overwater, but fantastic for low light. It can be as root bound as anything, so don't worry about over potting. Here's a little one in a smaller pot. That can stay in that same pot for at least 2 years. The second best plant for low light, really low light, is the Espadistra. When Gracie Field sang about this plant, she had the biggest Espadistra in the world. The Espadistra she was singing about was probably 50 years old. They're extremely slow growing, but tolerate very low light and also tolerate gas heating. Of course, the peace lily, very good low light plant. It won't flower as much in the low light, but it will keep that lovely, in fact the foliage will get even darker green in lower light. If you want it to flower, bring it into good light. When it's flowering, put it in that dark bedroom or that dark situation. The Dracaena Janet Craig. This is known as a plant that can tolerate absolutely no natural light. They don't need a lot of water and they don't need a lot of light. They'll grow a lot more slower in low light situations, so less water. For a smaller space, we've got another Dracaena. It's still a Janet Craig, but this one's called Janet Craig Compacta. Beautiful shiny leaves, just grows straight up, tolerates hardly any light at all. Fantastic.
Rhonda, that little Janet Craig, that'd be fabulous for a cold back office, wouldn't it?
It would.
It takes really no room whatsoever.
Yes, it just grows straight up,
So
like a feather duster.
It'll give you some greenery
Yes.
without taking up any space.
Yes.
And most of these can take it really, really cold too, can't
They can take it cold, but the colder the room, the less water. Another really good plant for low light is the Palapalm. This and the Kentia are the two best indoor palms. So here you have Kentia, which grows a lot bigger, and the Palapalm, which stays lovely and compact, will get to about a metre and a half eventually. Fabulous plant. Just keep evenly moist in the summer, let it dry out a little bit in the winter. This little one in this little pot, multi-plants, they look better. That can stay in that same pot for at least 2 to 3 years. So don't over pot, and when you do pot it up, just one size bigger. So we have a lovely array of plants that will tolerate low light. The ones that I mentioned are the 5 best, but the spider plant can tolerate low light. The colour will fade slightly, but it can grow in low light. Maidenhairs, of course, the ZZ, the Shamadoria, Calathea is very good, but they do like high humidity. Also, the lucky bamboo tolerates low light. Most ferns, monsteras tolerate low light. Pothos or devil's ivy, syndaxis, whatever you want to call it, tolerates low light. And also, most of the palms can tolerate low light as well. Just remember, the lower the light, the slower they grow. The lower the light, the less water they need. Hope that helps with your problem area of indoor plants.